Welcome to Shingle Solution Review. In this video, we are going to provide you with the Shingle Solution Review, and give you a comprehensive detail it. Did you know that 1 in every 3 people in America is likely to develop shingles? That's a whopping 1 million people who get it every year. For people who are unaware of the condition, shingles are also referred to as herpes-zoster and appear as painful striped rashes that develop on the left or right side of your torso. Shingles are a viral infection that causes an angry red inflammation. It can take anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks to heal, depending on how successful individuals control the itching, tingling, and painful burning sensations. One myth that many people continue to believe is that adults only experience shingles. As explained by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, even children are at risk of developing shingles. In terms of conventional treatments, antiviral medicines, i.e., acyclovir, valacyclovir, and famciclovir, are available. These are typically recommended by a health practitioner and are trusted to be effective when taken during the first signs of symptoms. Luckily, individuals can also take the all-natural route to heal, and we might have a potential solution. Specifically, we recently came across a guide called The Shingle Solution by Julissa, which is reasoned as being the safest way to address the issue. Without giving too much away, the approaches taken here supposedly involves boosting the immune system through whole foods. How has the Shingle Solution been structured? The Shingle Solution has been structured in such a way that ensures that one's immune system is returned to its full strength. Based on the claims made in the advertisement, this program is backed by hard science, and can treat shingles in a practical, straightforward and completely natural way. As for the contents, we know with certainty that the Shingle Solution is designed to deliver a plan in 2 phases over 4 weeks. To include daily instruction sheets to eliminate any guesswork. To make the overall experience as comfortable as possible, even though the first 7 days might be tough to overcome, to highlight specific foods and nutrients that prevent illness and repair the body's internal processes. To focus on simple daily habits that can be easily incorporated into one's life. To reveal the importance of sleep on the immune system and how a lack thereof can weaken it further. To help manage all stressors of life. What are the benefits of following the Shingle Solution? When followed to the finest of details, the Shingle Solution is trusted to stimulate 4 main, positive results. First, it is expected to clear shingles scabs in record time. This can be evaluated by assessing the scab's dryness and eventually the disappearance of the scars. Next, individuals will feel it working the moment they realize that their itching has reduced significantly. Third, people are believed to be protected from postherpetic neuralgia, i.e., shingles' most common complication. Finally, the solutions provided can reduce the risk of developing repeat shingles and post-shingles. These results are deemed achievable in less than half the time that most people have it. Final verdict. Overall, the Shingle Solution is a guide covering the ins and outs of enhancing the immune system to eliminate shingles for good. It includes a program that involves making healthy changes to one's food intake and effective ways of managing stress and pain, among others. The route taken by Julissa makes absolute sense, seeing that the scientific community has succeeded in establishing a link between shingles and a weak immune system. Remember, Shingle Solution can only be purchased from their official website. You will find the link in the description below this video. Thank you for taking the time to get more info before getting the Shingle Solution.